What a beautiful morning for a boat ride. Well, it doesn't say it anywhere on the box, but the description on Amazon says 30 plus miles an hour. And I plan on calling them out on that because we're going to do a speed run on this thing. But according to the box, it's brushless, proportional throttle and steering, stepless speed control, capsize auto recovery, brushless motor. There's the functions for the remote. And then the diagram on how to pull the boat apart. Comes a stand, there's your tools. So let's get out of the box and see what all's actually inside it. There's everything out of the box, including the manual. So it's a basic little manual. Got a description of how everything works, of course. And it even says it comes with a little anti-collision cover for the nose of the boat, but I didn't see that in the box. I don't know if I missed it or what. Not that big of a deal. And then of course you got the boat, the stand I had to put together. Comes with a 3S battery, and I did find more of these on Amazon too, so you can grab a couple more if you want one. And then here's a cheap little USB charger, but looks like you can actually, if you got a better charger, you can put this on one of the better chargers and charge it quicker, because this is probably going to take forever, especially charging the 3S. It's also got a little Phillips head screwdriver. You got a little wrench, and then a little Alan. All right, here it is compared to their little shark boat they have that they claimed it did over 20 miles an hour. That only did 11, but a little shark boat's like 12 inches long, and this little Challenger boat here is 16 inches long. I mean, other than them saying it goes faster than it actually does, they do make a good quality boat. I mean, I've been real happy with DEERC. Actually, I got one of their 1/18 scale cars too, and it's pretty fast. I can actually put it on 3S and get 35 miles an hour out of it. So I'm happy with the quality. Just not happy the way they talk about how fast their stuff is. But like I said, we'll check them on this video. We'll see how fast this boat does. But like I said, this is a good looking little boat. I like it a lot. Looks like it's a port right there for the water cooler to keep the engine cool. And it's got like 3 sections you can take off here. Got the top section right here. I can get this done here. There we go. So there's that, which leaves me plenty of room to put my GPS in here, so I can put my GPS in here, and so we can do a speed run. And got another cover right here. So that's where the battery goes. There's your little Dean's connector. And then another cover here should give you access, if I got it right. Oh, one more. There we go. So yeah, here we go. It's got there's a little servo there. That must be the radio and the ESC. A brushless motor right there. There's where the water cooling tubes are. They don't really hit the motor, but I see the water cooling tubes going through something up here. I'm not sure what that is up there, but not a bad looking little boat. But we're going to try it out. Let me see if I can figure out this goes back together again. Lock this in place. Alright, that's in there. And then we got the battery. Alright, so I guess it doesn't have an on-off switch. Put the battery in. Yeah. Turn the remote on. There we go. Oh, it's got blue LED light there. Got red LED lights there, and another blue one on that side, which I think there's a button on here that turns them on and off. Yeah, it does. So now they're off. Back on. There's the steering. Got a little power to it. Like I said, we'll go out and take it on the water and try it out, see what it does. But let me unplug this back up because I don't want to leave it on. But yeah, I didn't realize I don't have an on-off switch unless I'm missing it somewhere. Not a big deal anyway. You don't want to leave your battery stored in your RC vehicles. But cool. I will button it back up together and then we will find some water. And like I said, I'll go see what kind of speed it does and we'll go play around with it. So y'all hang tight. Alright, found some water. Make sure the GPS is picking up. And it is. Moves pretty good on the water. Let's see what that did. $18 miles an hour. Well, that's no 30, but still ain't bad. I'm happy with it.